Hi, what's up my guys? Today I was trying to withdraw my Litecoins in Coinpot website, but I got a problem. I'm sure most of you guys have faced the same problem. Here's the problem I'm telling you. If I click withdraw Litecoin and put my Litecoin address in the withdraw Litecoin address bar, it shows must be a valid wallet address. And guys, as far as I know, this is the valid address I can provide because I got it from my wallet. But this website says it's not a valid address. For that, there is a reason. But I am not going to talk about the reason now because it needs some technical explanations. I can't do that right now. But let's fix this problem right now. To fix this, you need a Litecoin P2SH Converter. I have the link to this website in the video description. Also, you can click that link to come to this web page. Then get your withdraw Litecoin address that this website says it's not a valid address. Then put that address in this bar that says P2SH value. Then click convert. After that, you can see another address. Copy it. It is the converted address from this Litecoin converter. Then come back to your Coinpot website. Then paste that address you got from the Litecoin P2SH converter. And guys, now you can see there is no problem about validity of your Litecoin address. That's because I converted it from this website. And guys, to know the technical explanations to this matter, you can always watch this video. I highly recommend this video. This guy is explaining it very well. I learned a lot about this problem in this video. Thank you again, my man. You are doing a great job. Keep up the good work. And then now we have a valid Litecoin address. So let's try to withdraw. Amount to withdraw. Let's get only 0.005. That is the minimum amount. Then I have to put my password. Now I am putting it. And then I have to prove that I am not a robot by completing this reCAPTCHA. Now I can click withdraw. Please confirm that you wish to withdraw 0.005 Litecoins to this address. Alright, I confirm that. Now, there is an important thing I have to do. They have sent me a confirmation email to my email address that I have registered with this Coinpot website. To get the withdrawal to my Coinbase account, I must confirm the email that this website is sending to me right now. Alright, now I am going to do that, and when I get my payout to my wallet, I will show that to you.